So welcome to the number test. This is one of the part of abstract reasoning test, or we can say a simple reasoning test also includes number test. And in this part, a long series of numbers is given. One is required to find out how many times a number fulfilling a specific condition given in the question occurs. It might also happen that another condition may be given in this type of test. In this condition, a number series is given and the candidate is required to either insert a missing number or find out the one that does not follow the pattern of the series, odd one out बोल सकते हैं हम. Actually, the candidate is required to understand the pattern on which the series is made. In this type of test, they are actually testing your speed of answering the question most of the time. And the most important part is speed and accuracy both should be matched. In an interactive games and puzzle type question, these questions will find its own place. And in the given period of time, we need to find the answer. So let's get started. So pause the video, solve the question on your screen and try to identify the answer. How many threes are there in the following sequence which are neither preceded by 6 nor immediately followed by 9? पहले 3 कहाँ हैं उनको मार्क कर लेते हैं और फटाफट से देखते हैं. 3 हैं, 4 हैं, 5 हैं. 3 से पहले 6 नहीं होना चाहिए. 3 के बाद में 9 नहीं होना चाहिए. 3 के बाद में 9 है. 3 के बाद में 9 है. 3 के बाद में 7 है. 3 के पहले 9 है. एक्सेप्टेड. 3 के बाद 9 है. 3 के बाद 6 है लेकिन पहले 9 है. एक्सेप्टेड. आंसर इज 2. Yes, answer is 2. Thank you, Mr. Sarthak Mitra, again from Electrical Department TINT for suggesting this answer. Okay, number test, example number 2, and the question is on your screen, and this is of some other type than are the previous example. Pause the video, try it out. Hopefully you got the correct answer. Let's see what is asked. If the position of the first and sixth digit of the sequence of the numbers are interchanged, first is interchanged with second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the second and the seventh, and so on. So it will be 1, 4, 6, 7, 5. Last के 5 पहले आ जाएंगे और शुरू के 5 आखिर में चले जाएंगे. I think this is how the series would look like. Then which number would be 7th from the right end? This is always right and this is always left. Customary positions हैं. 7th from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wonderful. 7th from the right is 7 itself. Great. So I should thank Sonak Sengupta from IT for giving me this answer. Thank you. Find out the number which is wrong. You need to identify in this number which should not be there, and in spite of that there should be some other number. And you know the drill. Try it. So how to reach from 3 to 5 as suggested by Somnitra Roy, young lady from Electrical Department TINT. She suggested that the 3 into 1 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 into 2 plus 2 is 12. 12 into 3 plus 2. 36 plus 2 is 38. 38 into 4 plus 2 is 154. 154 into 5 plus 2 is 770 plus 2, 772. Similarly, if we check 772 into 6 plus 2 is giving 4, 6, 3, 4. So basically it is multiplication in AP series and adding up a constant, which we can also very easily identify with help of a difference table. And I guess you know the difference table. इन सब के बीच का difference निकालते हैं, फिर उनका difference निकालेंगे, and then we can identify the pattern. Please try that out also. But in this case, 31 is the number which is wrongly placed in the series, and instead of 39, 38 should be featuring. 39 is the number which is wrongly placed in the series, and 38 should be featuring in place of 39. So thank you, young lady Somnetra, for giving us this answer. Okay, this is a new type of question in number series or number test. You can say type 4. In this kind of question, a number series is given. After the series, below that, in the next line, a number is given, that is 817 as you can see, and it is followed by A, B, C, D, E. Actually, we need to complete the second series starting with the number given, following the question of the given series. We need to follow the first series, and accordingly we need to identify that what should feature in the place A, B, C, D and E, and then a question setter may ask you to find the value of A or B, C, D or E. Give it a try. Identify the pattern from the first series and then use it with 817 and follow that pattern. Find out the value of E. The difference between 535 and 366 is 169. 366 minus 245, 121. 245 minus 164 is giving me 81. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा एक कैच मिलता है. This is 13 square, this is 11 square, this is 9 square. इसका मतलब आगे अगर यही पैटर्न फॉलो करें ऑफ ऑड नंबर सीरीज, डाउनवर्ड सीरीज, 7 स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए, फिर 5 स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए. लेट्स वर्क दिस आउट. You get a 2, 11 minus 4 is 7, 7 minus 4 is 3. Value of E is 372. Yes, it is 372. Thank you. An IT guy, 4th year BTech, Mr. Tiwari, Vivav Tiwari, for suggesting this solution. Type 5. Generally, what is given in these type of questions? There is a number series given and few numbers are highlighted. Box बने हो सकते हैं, color change हो सकता है, blink कर सकते हैं. In an interactive screen, it can be shown to you in an haphazard manner also. So, two terms of this particular series, but if it is following a series pattern, इसको haphazard manner में नहीं होगा, ये sequentially ही आपको number दिए गए. Answer in the following manner. If both the colored terms are right, मतलब दोनों colored terms right हैं, मतलब series के member हैं, तो आपको answer A press करना है. If first term is correct and the second term is wrong, then you need to press answer B. If first term is wrong, second term is right, you need to press answer C. And if you think both the terms are wrongly given or wrongly written as far as series is concerned, then press D. And this is very interactive manner it can be shown to you. ये आंखों को थोड़ा सा disturb कर सकता है. So give it a try. Let's quickly find the difference. 10 minus 3, 7. 29 minus 10, 19. 60. This level, any number pattern matches. That means these two numbers are correctly placed. Both the numbers are correctly placed because third level difference मेरा 666 मिल गया है. I will press on the button called A. Hopefully, we all have pressed on the button A. Okay, try one more on the interactive screen. But it is not interactive screen actually. You have series 2548. Whether those two are correctly placed or not. Try it out. Let's find the difference. 9 minus 4, 5. 16 minus 9, 7. 20. 2 का फॉलो करते हैं. ये 2 होना चाहिए, ये 13 होना चाहिए और ये 49 होना चाहिए. 25 is correctly placed, but 48 is wrong in this series. What should be the correct answer? First term is right and second term is left. No, second term is wrong. Correct answer is B. Thank you, young lady Kaushiki Trivedi from Electrical Department, Techno International, Newtown, Kolkata, for suggesting this solution. Thank you. तो होपफुली आपने वीडियो पॉज किया होगा और आपको करेक्ट आंसर मिल गया होगा. यस, आपका आंसर करेक्ट है. बस देख लेते हैं या नहीं. 2, 5, 12, 25, 41, 61. यहाँ पर ही दो नंबर है तो मैं पीछे से कैलकुलेट करता हूँ. दिस डिफरेंस इज 20, दिस डिफरेंस इज 16, यहाँ पर डिफरेंस 3, ये डिफरेंस 7 एंड डिफरेंस हो गया 13. भाई डिफरेंस में 4 है लेकिन यहाँ पर 6 हो जाता है, फिर 3 हो जाता है, फिर 4 हो जाता है. बड़ा अजीब है. लेकिन फिर इस नंबर की तरफ देखें, ये ऑड है, ये ऑड है, ये ऑड है, ये ऑड है. तो अगर मैं इन दोनों को इवन नंबर्स को ये मान के चलूं कि ये शायद ऑड नंबर का ही सीरीज होना चाहिए और इन नंबर्स को प्लेस करें इस डिफरेंस पर. अगर ये तीनों ऑड नंबर करेक्टली प्लेस्ड हैं तो यहाँ पर ये 16, 20 का गैप जो 4 है वो 4 बनाने की अगर मैं कोशिश करूँ, इसको 4 करूँ, इसको 4 करूँ, ये 4 है तो ये 16 माइनस 4 12 होना चाहिए, 12 माइनस 4 8 होना चाहिए, 8 माइनस 4 4 होना चाहिए. ये अगर करेक्ट है तो इसकी जगह पर 1 आ सकता है एंड 5 प्लस 8 मुझे 13 देने चाहिए. 13 और 12 25 देते हैं. बिंगो. 1, 5, 13, 25, 41, 61. पहला all odd number series मिला and the difference is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, which finally becomes difference of 4. That means 2 and 12 both are wrong numbers. ये wrong number लगा है, PK का wrong number लगा है in this particular series. Answer is D. I'll thank Ronak Kumar Paul from Electrical Department BTech 4th year for suggesting this solution. Thank you. Now, after this series of practice questions are there in this video, please go through it and the drill is same. Pause the video, try to identify the correct answer and then look out for the correct answer. But no solution this time. And if you are facing problem in any of the questions, इनका correct answer नहीं समझ में आया आपको, please put it down in the comment box and I'll come back to you with the explanation of the answer. So hope you have enjoyed this number test. See you very soon. I'm Mohit Jain signing off from Maths and Stats by MJ Magic Studio. Thank you.